Hello everyone, this is Sunidhi and I welcome you to the virtual tour of CGC University Mohali. एक ऐसा कैंपस जिसे न्यू एज यूनिवर्सिटी भी कहा जाता है. We are North India's leading institute because we have Gen Z AI-driven campus. We make you ready for the future programs. We convert your dreams into reality because we are making future leaders. So I am very sure that you all are very excited to have a virtual tour of our campus, CGC University Mohali. Come with me and let's see what exactly we have in our campus.
Alright, so after the main entrance, this is the open hand monument, which is the main attraction for all of the students because they get the opportunity to take the pictures, make the memories of their college life. और सबसे खास बात ये है that this open hand monument symbolizes peace and unity of mankind.
So we have total 7 blocks in our campus of CGC University Mohali. और जिस जगह पे मैं अभी खड़ी हूँ, this is the block 1, which is also known as Ellen Turing block. और इसे हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ब्लॉक भी कहते हैं क्योंकि आपके एडमिशन प्रोसेस से लेके आपकी एकेडमिक गाइडेंस तक हर चीज का ख्याल इसी ब्लॉक में रखा जाता है. You will also find your BTech classrooms here, which are specifically designed for practical learning and industry-ready skill development. Welcome to Block 2, which is Ratan Tata Block. So this is academic hub for MBA, BBA and fashion department students. यहाँ की जो classrooms हैं, studios हैं, they are designed in a way that make you ready for the corporate world from the day one. So in short, this space is for preparing the creative professionals of tomorrow. Welcome to Block 3, which is also known as Ramanjan Block. This block hosts state-of-the-art classrooms dedicated to multimedia, journalism and BTech CSE students. इस ब्लॉक की हर एक स्पेस इस चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाई गई है that you get the perfect lab, classrooms and studio, which is a perfect blend of technology and hands-on learning that you become the best coder and the storyteller of our country. This is the block 4 of CGC University Mohali, which is known as the B.R. Ambedkar block. All the classes related to law are conducted here, which is supported by fully equipped moot court, which gives you a real-life courtroom experience. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे disciplinary department है जहाँ आपको मिलेंगे experts of soft skill training which make you industry ready. Also we have a mini auditorium where we have regular talks, workshops, which gives you all the exposure. And well, clearly जो block 4 है ये बनाता है confident, aware and legal minds of tomorrow. Alright, so this is block 5, the Stella block. Now this is a very dynamic hub of healthcare and applied sciences at CGC University Mohali. Block 5 brings together our very specialized programs like AOTT, radiology, anesthesia, B Pharma, D Pharma. So every corner, हर एक कोना इस particular block का will take you closer to scientific or a medical field. Clearly, इस block में तैयार होते हैं future pharmacists, technicians, medical technicians and a lot more. Now we are moving ahead to explore Block 6 and Block 7. Block 6 is the Swami Vivekanand block and Block 7 is the Cap Gemini block. Together form the core hub of hands-on learning at CGC University Mohali. These blocks are home to multiple modern classrooms, advanced laboratories and interactive learning spaces. Alright, so the area that you are seeing right now, this is the center posh area of CGC University Mohali and this is the heart of our campus. Why? Because students start their mornings from here, they set the tone of the day, they exchange the greetings. Alright, so ऐसा कह सकते हैं that center posh area of CGC University Mohali is a space of movement and campus spirit. This is the transport hub of CGC University Mohali, जिसे हम हर स्टूडेंट की डेली कन्वीनियंस का बैकबोन कहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा जो ट्रांसपोर्ट नेटवर्क है, it widely covers a radius of 100 kilometers, including regions like Patiala, Ludhiana, Ambala, Panchkula, and a closer region like Chandigarh एंड मोहाली। हमारे पास CGS यूनिवर्सिटी मोहाली में 20 से भी ज़्यादा वेल मेंटेन्ड बसेस हैं जो आपके लाइफस्टाइल को, आपके पर्सनल लाइफस्टाइल को, आपके एकेडमिक ग्रोथ को और भी ज़्यादा स्मूथ बनाते हैं। वेल राइट नाउ आई एम इन द फूड कोर्ट एरिया, जिसको हम ईटिंग जॉइंट्स भी कहते हैं। एंड वेल इफ़ यू वांट टू फ्रेशन अप योर मूड, वांट टू टेक अ study break, this particular eating joints area allows you to enjoy the meal, whether you want to grab a cup of coffee, sandwich or a pizza. So ये वो जगह है जो फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर के साथ साथ आपको डिलीशियस फूड ऑप्शंस देता है, और अब तो ये एक कम्युनिटी स्पेस बन चुका है। Alright, so now I'm standing in a place which needs no introduction. You can see clearly that this is the canteen and mess area where everybody, the staff as well as the students, they are enjoying their meals. This side we have the faculty lounge, specially designed for the faculty, and here the sitting space is for the students. Here you will get the fresh and hygienic meals. तो यहाँ का खाना सिर्फ एक ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये एक experience है. And well, as you can see the entire area, that this space is enough for making memories, lifelong friendships and sharing laughters. Welcome to the sports arena of CGS University Mohali. I would say that this is one of the vibrant spaces that we have in our campus. We have basketball, volleyball, football and badminton court. Apart from that, we also have net cricket area, which encourages your physical fitness and makes your life a very balanced student lifestyle. And well, we keep on hosting tournaments and sports event. As you can see behind me, we are hosting Employee Sports Festa 2025, जो फिर से एक example है of energy and enthusiasm and the life that we live in our campus of CGS University Mohali. Alright, so right now I am in the snooker area of our campus, and well, as you can see that this is a very vibrant space having high quality tables, and whether you are a seasoned player or a beginner, you can come here and socialize with your friends and relax at the same time.
All the mental well-being and emotional balance is being taken care of in this center, and for that we have a very experienced team of counselors and psychologists who are here to provide you with personalized guidance and support so that all the students can navigate through the challenges. And our organization always aims to create an environment where you feel valued, heard and empowered. So this is an example of that. So this is the admission cell of our campus where you get registered yourself for all the dreams that you have dreamt of. And in this admission process, you are assigned a concerned person ताकि आपकी जो admission journey है और आपका पूरा जो सफर है CGC में वो hassle free रहे. Also, you get the entire facility that you have dreamt of. तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे आप आगे बढ़ने का फैसला ले लेते हो and the new chapter of your life begins. So this is the DCP department, which is Division of Career Planning and Development. This department converts your dreams into jobs because they are responsible for the placement of the students. And this year we have the highest package of 56 MBAs. Charlie resume mock interviews, the placement drive. Everything is carried out by this department. And well, this entire department makes sure that your journey from campus
to corporate is excellent.
This is the Ashok Leyland cell. As the name indicates, this is our collaboration with Ashok Leyland brand. This is the live engine area, and this entire cell gives you the opportunity to work on the real world practices of the transport system. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली यहाँ पे इनोवेशन के साथ साथ सभी स्टूडेंट्स को कनेक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है। तो ऐसा कहा जा सकता है दैट दिस सेल हैज़ द कैपेसिटी टू एक्सेलरेट द करियर ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स।
Alright, so this is the E-cell of CGC University Mohali. इसको हम वेंचर नेस्ट भी कहते हैं बिकॉज एवरी स्टार्टअप आइडिया, हर एक आइडिया की फंडिंग इसी जगह से शुरू होती है। Entire strategic discussion of your startup ideas is made here. So this venture nest of CGC University Mohali can be called as entrepreneurial ecosystem.
So we have very beautifully designed the incubator cell, and right now where we're standing, this is the welcome launch for all the visitors. Then we have 2 more cells present here. Also we have a business strategy room. Have a glimpse.
Across CGC University Mohali, there are a number of advanced labs which are specifically dedicated to AI and ML, AI and DS, computer science, cybersecurity, pharmacy, fashion, AOTT, and a lot more to number. Well, ये जो spaces है labs में, they are specifically designed only for you so that you impart the skill in you and you make yourself industry ready from day one. So clearly, these spaces are the place where you bring ideas to life.
So this is the blockchain lab of our campus, and well, this introduces the students to the future of technology. या फिर ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं that this makes them ready for the digital age. Languages like C++, Java, Python सब सिखाया जाता है so that they can develop websites in the future, develop apps and softwares. Apart from that, they also learn cryptocurrency and learn how to secure the data systems. So in short, this space, this labs teaches them every expertise so that they make the digital world safe. So this is the media lab of our campus, which is a perfect and inspirational space for all the storytellers. यहाँ पे आपको क्रिएटिव माइंड्स एक टेक्नोलॉजी का एक परफेक्ट ब्लेंड देखने को मिलता है. As you see this media lab all around, we have high-tech equipments like cameras, 3-point lighting systems, and the computers which teach you the best video editing because we have the best video editing tools. तो चाहे फिल्म मेकिंग है, कंटेंट क्रिएशन है, डिजिटल आर्ट है या फिर एंकरिंग है, this labs allows you to explore your passion and develop the skills to the fullest. So this is the moot court for all the law students, and mooting is one of the most important skills that student needs to learn in their career journey. And well, as you can see, this is the courtroom which offers all the budding lawyers real world stimulations. यहाँ पे लॉजिक और टैलेंट का असली टेस्ट होता है, which enhances the confidence of the students. They get to learn the teamwork, case analysis, and most importantly, communication. So this is the OTT room of our campus, यानी कि ये है operation theatre, where students are taught how to do a surgery or how to ventilate a patient or how to deal all the
situations and traumas. On top of that, they're also taught how to extract the vital status of the patient, and the surgeries which they are learned here can be from fields like cardiology, gynecology, orthopedics, and so much others. So in short, we can say that this room prepares the student to be the future technologists. So this is the optometry lab of our campus, where you will find the latest and advanced eye examination instruments. So in this particular lab, we have a refraction room, we have contact lens clinic, and a clinic which is again equipped with advanced technologies so that the student can learn eye testing and diagnosis of all the eye-related diseases, and most importantly, they can learn the refraction. So it is not wrong to say that this lab is preparing the future optometrists, and this is their first step to be the best optometrists in the country. So this is BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology Lab, and well, this lab bridges the gap between the medicine and technology. And as you can see, this particular lab, we have high-tech equipments just to allow the students to learn the advanced imaging technology, X-ray, MRI, CT scan, and ultrasound. So the state-of-the-art lab and the expert faculty allows the students to prepare for a very promising future in the hospital, diagnostic centers, and research centers. So this is the library of our campus, which has vast collection of books, journals, and digital resources. As you can see, there is dedicated space offered to the students for perfect concentration and deep learning. Well, this is the center for academic support and growth. Definitely, this is an unparalleled space for deep learning, concentration, and focus. हर एक कोना, हर एक कॉर्नर इस लाइब्रेरी का आपकी academic growth को support करता है. So this is the pharmacy lab, which is all about teaching the theoretical and practical aspects of pharmaceutical and health industry. चाहे वो मेडिसिन साइंस है या ह्यूमन केयर है, दोनों चीजों का ब्लेंड इसी लैब में सिखाया जाता है. So whether it is latest advancements or practical practices, everything is taught here. So this is not wrong to say that this lab is a journey towards healing and innovation. So this is the forensic lab of our campus, which is a dedicated space for the study and application of forensic sciences. As you can see that this lab is equipped with latest tools and technologies ताकि बच्चे crime scene investigation, DNA profiling, fingerprint analysis और toxicology सीख सकें. So it would not be wrong to say that this particular forensic labs prepare the students for law enforcement, criminal justice, and forensic research. So this is the biotechnology lab of our campus, and well, this lab is specifically designed to foster innovation and research in the field of life sciences. As you can see, in this lab there are various instruments and technologies so that the students can learn the various aspects in the field of biotechnology like genetic engineering, microbiology, and molecular biology, and a lot of the fields. Well, so this lab somehow it bridges the gap between the theoretical knowledge and the real world practices so that they can enter into the real world and perform their best in the future. So this is BSc Medical Lab Science, and again this lab is equipped with latest equipments which allows the student to conduct medical lab tests accurately and at the same time analyze their results. यहाँ की जो faculty है, expert guidance है, वो उन्हें ये सिखाती है that how to conduct a lab test very accurately, चाहे वो pathology की field से है, hematology की field से है, which in turn gives them a very promising careers in hospitals, diagnostic centers as lab technicians, scientific officer and molecular scientist.
Alright, so right now I am here in the laundry room, which is a facility both in girls' hostel and boys' hostel. So you get the convenience of washing your clothes very easily and in a hassle-free manner. You just need to install an app and then you can wash your clothes without any problem because this is very organized, as you can see here and have a glimpse in the entire room. So we can say that this laundry room is a perfect place for comfort and cleanliness.
So this is the international cell, which is especially designed for international students who are studying here from various countries. And well, here we have a team of very talented people who are exclusively in touch with the international students. From their admission process to their last day in the campus, everything is made hassle-free. Also, this cell takes care of all the best global collaborations. Welcome to the conference hall of CGC University Mohali. Now this is a very dynamic space for high impact interactions and academic discussions. As you can see, we have AV facilities and we have mics here to make the decision making across the campus very smooth and professional. At the same time, all the international collaboration take place here globally so that the students get the international exposure. So this is the seminar hall of our campus where all the guest lectures happen. चाहे वो किसी influential leader से बात करनी है या फिर किसी inspiring speaker से inspiration लेनी है, the students get the opportunity to interact with them. This is how they learn, grow and gain insights जो कहीं ना कहीं उनके future को invaluable बनाता है. So this is the civil lab which shapes the future of infrastructure. All the students who are interested in learning the construction of buildings and roads, this is the place where they learn to turn blueprint into reality. चाहे वो small model की बात हो या फिर एक बड़े project को design करने की बात हो, all the professionals help them to learn all of it. So this is the fashion lab of our campus where future designers are made. So the lab that is seen right now is serving as a space where imagination meets skills, which allows the students to come up with new ideas, experiment and learn. चाहे वो कोई fashion design है, textile innovation है या garment construction है, ये किसी भी idea को tangible यानी वास्तविक piece of art में convert कर देती है. So definitely this entire space is very inspiring for all the artists. Welcome to the brand new hostels of CGC University Mohali. We have total 4 hostels: Ivory, Rosewood, Chanakya and Einstein. Well, इस hostel के जो rooms हैं वो इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाए गए हैं that you get the utmost comfort, safety and warden assistance. At the same time, you get amenities like smart laundry, gym, salon, which makes your life a total vibe. So this is the NCC room जहाँ पे patriotism और discipline का जज्बा हमेशा मजबूत होता है. Through this program, they develop teamwork, learn discipline, and obviously they build resilience. All these are the essential traits which go beyond academics और सबसे खास और important role play करता है उनकी personal growth में. I can say that this is a very inspiring space for all the students to develop them and obviously to make them a better citizen of India.